All right, round 4. Look at this. All that stuff. You know that stuff washes all off. Just, you know, this stuff, you can't tell this stuff is, how it comes off.
Oh yeah.
$6. All kinds of, 3 for $10. Oh goodness. You know
That's why I don't like that. I
Yeah.
like it like like
Right.
pieces
Oh, I
it's not
know.
going to come off.
you know it's going to come off about 2-3 years.
Especially if it's only $5.99.
Exactly. Sweat should probably fine, but it's
Yeah.
yeah. May 9th, 2024. What the hell? There's some inlets when you come in that come in. It's kind of cool. You have houses on the inlets on the other side.
That's so cool.
See if they paint this up a little bit. Bring some painter in here, pay him a couple grand. It's still cool to own one of them.
We started at 26. We're at 10 now.
Oh, really?
There was a restaurant back there. I looked at the menu. It looked kind of good.
Okay. What was it called?
I don't know. I have to look when we go back. Bistro something.
Some more can't yes jets. Nice. If this flag offends you, I'll help you pack. Heck yeah. I get these, but
I do not get the lifeguard sweatshirts.
no, you see people buy those all the time. Kind of a cool little bar. Hammerheads. Fun arcades. Hell yeah. You still have a while to go too. Old arcade. Some are smart to have it open. Auntie Annie's. You're killing me, Smalls. Hot dogs, hamburgers, breakfast. I'm not gay, but $20 is $20. I love that phrase. That's so hilarious. I'm not gay, but $20 is $20. Dazed and confused. I love it. Plagiarizer. Happy 4th of July. It's hilarious. Best buds, man. Okay, just forget. Oh my God. Sissy Ball. The Hunch. Wanted for a second term. Tennis.
Different. Each one is different.
Yep. Quick fucker. This couch ain't from the Corona. Oh my god. Uh-huh. Oh, that candy kitchen. Oh my goodness. Ha. Look at that stuff. Bacon and cheese fries.
Breakfast sandwich.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is, you can tell this is more of the touristy area.
Well, and she said, that one lady said that, you know, it's the hotels and then it's
Right.
all this.
Brasher's French fries.
Must be the going rate, $10 an hour. That's just, wow.
That's a lot, man. We had that for all week was inexpensive at
Yeah.
Virginia Beach. Over the inlet over there. They're flying some kites. Malibu surf. I wonder if they get any hurricanes.
There's not a railing there.
I know. See a lot of hurricanes down here or not?
Good. Coast. And you look at Hurricane Sandy, hit Jersey.
Right. Restaurants are open. Some are, some aren't. Lots of pizza. Is that Melania?
What?
Melania. Gifts and toys. Sissy Ball. There. So yeah, they. Ice cream, baby. Loves pizza. Seen that around a few times. Guaranteed, running like a banshee. That's gonna get flooded. Hotel Majestic.
Doesn't look too majestic to me.
No. Again, little paint.
Families only. Gotta keep up the riffraff.
Yep.
Or the guys or girls coming down for a party weekend.
Right. All right.